Yun, laki ng cool eh.
Go Genji! Go Genji!
Hina. It's okay, Danin.
Rowan! Kalma mo muna, huwag mo magmamadali.
Jacob, you have time, ha? Alessi, higher. Tyler, up content, Tyler.
Angat Pales. Sayang.
Up
mo na! One! Yan, that's the line. Go! Yan! Diba? Go, Margo! Go! Sinaban!
Takbo eh.
John! Huwag ka na makipag-away dyan! Focus tayo!
Now. Ibit ganun. Timing lang. Pass it. Other side. Genji, ass! Good one. Wide Palesi.
Ryan, ask for the ball, Ryan.
Other side. Good.
Higher, Alessi, higher.
Turn.
Isa lang!
Good one, Genji. Kaliwa.
Sunod lang!
No. Tara, Nesta. Finish it. Good try, Alessi. Magsalita lang tayo dyan, Ryan and Rafa. Nesta, saan yung support, Nesta? Pasa. Minutes na. Nesta! Drop!
Kalma! Wag! Baba lang!
Clean pass. Go, Genji! Kanan kasi dapat.
Organize! Get on it!
Ano?
Kuha isa!
Kuya. Tyler! Yun.
Get the ball.
Tara.
Hey! Focus!
Bakit? Release eh. Good.
Higher, Alessi, higher.
Wide, Genji!
Cover!
Pasa. Good pass. Nice. Ganun dapat. Early cross.
Lenin! Lenin!
Denin!
Lenin! Pag naka-goal, get the ball. Lagay sa gitna. Doy, ako na pakuha yung bola. Ikaw na maglagay. Kenji, good pass.
Takbo dito.
Higher.
Up to na konti.
Umak kasi kayo.
Ready, Genji?
Up pa sa inyo. Up! Up ka! Ay.
Good one. Good pass. Don't stop, Genji.
Nico. Bilis na ka. Saan dito ka? Dito ka kasi. Yan.
Support, Genji. Okay lang dyan, Rai. Bakit? Trying to block. Sa'yo na, Alice.
John! Hindi ka pwedeng swap approach? Pwede hindi? Oh, pwede pala.
Okay lang.
Tara.
Stay.
Wag. Hold lang.
One more, Leslie. Leslie, one more.
Yung trase. Nico.
Jacob. Manon. Alessi.
Kuman ka. Abot ka.
Lenny.
One touch shoot.
Ayun dapat. Hindi makaano ni Jacob yung sipa niya.
Inge, Alessi. Lower, Ryan.
Good one. Other side.
Sabay!
Jacob kagad, Jacob.
Warm up, tuloy.
Tuloy.
Genji, oh.
Ay!
Okay na. Up na ng konti. Umak na.
Nag-goggles na ba siya? Ah, shade. Ano pa rin, salamin pa din, no? Move again, Denin!
Jacob. Jose, cut.
Ayaw tumakbo. Not back. Tahan, sayang. Hingi, Alessi.
Sige. Kaya lang, sabay lang.
Good one, Alessi. Malon! Say wide. Release nilo. Yan. Ano? Tyler. Good cover up. Leslie. Kaliwa. Oh my.
Carlos,
Kaya sa defender. Stop.
check mo si Genji.
Nandito.
Kung kaya diretso na kay Genji, mas maganda. Ellie, warm up. Andres also, go warm up. Up, Alessi sa 6. Alessi sa 6.
Dynamic.
Tara boys, your shots! Come on.
Kung kaya pa ilapit, Nesta.
Footwork and sprints.
Eh, hindi.
Ayan, ikaw din. Sabay ka na. Tapos pag dynamics, footwork at sprints, ha?
Ah. Good try.
Sander. Ready ka ha? Ano? Striker. Ang siso isa. Ang trabaho mo na pressure lang. Hindi aabot yan dyan. Dito nga. Kaya nga. Ay, ba't sa gilid? Kasi, hindi ko sinigay. Rawan, up Rawan! Yun, pasok!
Chances na nga eh.
Yun, shots, ayan.
Go, Carlos!
Good!
No foul, Carlos! No foul, no foul!
Bulo lang ha. Ganyan ni referee ha.
Up, Alessi, up!
Good, pasok!
Good. Wide again. Malon!
Kenji now! Yes, that's it! Inside!
Nesta in. Ah.
Kumparan ka lang!
Baba mo. Uy!
Let's go! Carlos! Pag hineder mo yung bola, pabalik sa goal. Or ipasa mo sa teammate, lay off.
Dali, takbo!
Go, right let's go. Eddie, yung 10 minutes ni Alessi, tapos na. Tapos na nga. Ano mo na Hey, Eddie, push it forward.
Nauna, coach?
Ryan.
Coach, nauna?
Sabay na.
David! Ryan!
Cyrus,
Run, Ryan, run! Sobra ka na.
13 na.
13! Yan! Coach, I can...
Dahil sa anong score ah. Nice one.
Right center back, Andres!
Sander!
Kaya. Support. Jose! Ano baby, nilib mo pa!
Jose!
Sarap
Take that!
Pasay na! Up! Alam mo, tayo na, up kayo kagad, sabay!
Sayang.
Back 4, back 5, up kayo!
Boys, in this kinds of opponents,
Marco,
yes,
sunod, Marco!
normally, diba? Get your chances. You have to take it. Kasi worst comes to worst, let's say we have the same standing as GA. Diba? They scored 3-0 here. What will they look at? Diba? Yung goal difference. So we have to
Tara, cover!
also finish all of our chances.
Ginji, ready?
Digo, warm up.
Kanina yun.
Yun, warm up. Bukas. Again.
Yan.
Ilan sana? Four. Tara, Migs.
Get the ball, sir!
Sino ang goal?
Nakasang keeper tapos nahulog sa kamay niya.
Huwag mo nang anuin. Punch out.
Sit down. Nico here.
Upo, Dinin, upo.
Gabi here. Beside Andre. Andre. Ito kinausap kita kapon. Sabi mo siya. Tapos. Kakausapin niya pagkatapos. Oh. Ano nangyari?
Tara, Andres.
Wag! Yan, ganyan lang. Yan. O, diba? Good. Sander, pasok.
What do we do, Andres?
Tara, nalilate, Andres, nalilate tayo, ha? Rap!
San, gumit ka, Katoy. Pasok ka sa loob, yan. Diba? Good.
Cover pa rin, Ellie! Hindi nag-look up.
Quick, Carlos, quick! Quick, Testa!
Ginji!
Nice.
Ah.
Genji, shout please, Genji! You had space! Ticket, Eddie, ticket!
Gilid.
Go, Genji, go again!
Mo sa gilid.
Okay, go, Ellie. Tuloy, Ellie.
Ay, ba't ka tumalon?
Tara. Go, Ellie.
Nico, sa gilid.
Jose! Aw, dik, nanonood kasi.
Good.
Relax, you have Rafa, Andres, you have Rafa.
Kalma.
Abot yan.
Good, Ellie.
Tyler, Rafa!
Lutan dyan, sige.
Tara, Rap. Cover, Andres.
Go.
Hey, Genji, where are you?
Sige. Good, pressure.
Turn. Nesta.
Lutan, tara.
Ay, ang layo.
Carlos on the ball. Turn it. Tyler up!
Mobse.
Good.
Other side yun, Carlos!
Continue, Ginji. Support, Nest. Water break.
Rep, pasok ko lang, Rep.
Dali.
Let's go, 4 of you.
Tumbler.
Genji. Go.
Genji.
Did I tell you to warm up? Wait. Either. Iyon. Kaya. Rafa out. Carlos, Rafa, yung switches natin. Diba? Yun na yung pinakamagandang decision to get that switch. Okay? Andres. And Nico, a little extra coverage maybe against the center back, ha? Pag naiwan siya. Okay, Andres. Yung discretion is Pauyan. Okay? Boy, slap it. Hey. Your shots naman, every chance you take, you must be able to convert that.
Oh, yung tumbler, lagay
How many shots did we take?
A lot.
A lot, right? It's been 20 minutes. Vinny, how many, Jacob, how many shots have you taken? 4. How many shots did you try to get? Right? Come on, pick a spot. There's a big goal. The keeper not so good, just pass it to the side. Kaya? Oh. Okay. Genji, Nesta, 2 shots. What if MSA and tayo tayo sa stand?
Ako na. Ako na.
Baka pag nag-draw or talunin ni Mendiola. Quotient pa din eh.
Andre, Nico, Ram, warm up.
Sino yan? Sino ba yan?
Ikaw ba yung naka-goal?
Good one, Lux!
Jose! Jose, yung sure ba?
7.
Ganyan, Carlos!
Uy, Uy. Manon! Wide Lucas! Wide Lucas! Good one, Carlos! Kaya, mas maliit shot.
Sige,
Good
Carlos!
one! Ay! Sarap dapat.
Get the ball! See, just give it to the
Easy.
side. Lenin kasi pinapasok sa keeper. Nakapin mo ata yung keeper, Lenin. Carlos, yung pasa sa'yo ni Jacob kanina, may space ka to turn. So check, baka pwede mag-turn, ikaw na yung mag-long shot. Let's go, we press!
Press! Coach, coach.
Go Sander!
Parang wala naman. Wala naman.
Ram, I told you to warm up.
Tambakan.
Yes, I did.
Tambakan. Doon ang inintay natin din resulta eh, sabi la eh. May score na? Parang wala pa.
Bigay!
Eh.
We follow!
Continue Lucas!
Other side!
Continue Lucas! Wide pa! Release.
Sige, Rian! Sige, Lucas ha! Support, Jacob!
Oh, sinunod na nga. Ano Ryan gagawin? Ayun, corner? Bait ah. Oh, Nico, yes, I heard. Ow, tik na. Yan. Hindi yun. Pali mo. Huwag ngayon na umangat. Tama na to.
Higher, Lucas! Higher, Lucas! Eli, up! Higher! Sige lang!
Andres, halfway!
Hindi naabot eh! Bigo up!
Lucas, tara Lux!
Eli, higher to 6. Eli, to 6, to 6.
Pass play, Eli!
Quick, Lucas! We play it quick every time! All free kicks, all throw-ins! Jose, support!
Wala yan. Bumabag yan. Manon!
Checking,
Manon!
Jacob!
Uy!
Lucas! Lucas!
Manon!
Too sharp.
Drop,
ha?
drop, drop.
Diyan. Good.
Pass play. Lucas! Lucas!
Go, Lucas!
Lucas, go!
Lucas! Andre. Wait lang. Dito ha. Ram. Heavy. Nico will go right. Play left. Up shot coverage for me. Just ikaw kayo safe. Next step ball. Ikaw dun. Press ka ng press dyan. Dapat sana ng bola makuha mo. Okay? Okay ka din naman sa 1v1. Tapos pag kuha ka ng opportunity sa goal, ipasok sa goal yung bola. After the throw.
Asking, Andres! Tingi tayo dyan, Leon!
Wait lang. Okay? Forward, si Jose.
Kumintay Rayan. Kaliba. Tayo mag-cool, hindi ko ba? Go try! Go try!
Jose, bilis, Jose! Ayan lang.
Dalawa lang po.
Oh, that's the same. Okay na. Ilan na? 13. So, ilan minutes ka lang sa second half? 20 total.
Tay!
Anong score na? 4? Miko, you start the second half. Okay?
Coach, what position do you want me to play?
Most likely defender. Go Andre!
Go!
Yes, why?
Yan ang inuntro. Go, Lucas!
Support Carlos! Other side! Rayan! Rayan!
Wide agad, Ray!
Again, Leon!
Up, Migo. Sige, angat ka, Migo.
Pwede kay Migo, yeah!
Andre!
Andre, both side!
No turn ha, no turn. No turn ha, no turn.
Turn! Rayan! Rayan! Rayan, Carlos! Good! Leon! Look for those passes!
Sige, pay off ko sila.
Pag yung kalaban, up.
Ryan!
Naibalik. Turn. Sige, Migo, Migo. Ayun o.
Forward, Migo, forward. Hey, drop, Carlos! ready,
Cover,
go.
cover!
Come on.
Cover!
Andre!
Striker ka. Go, Leon! Tara, Lucas! Ayan!
Lucas! Pass, Lucas! Leon! Leon.
Binigay.
Press, Andre!
Good one. Cover, amigo. Good. Lucas, wide, Lucas.
Ready, Rian! Rian!
Go, Carlos! Andre! Ano ba yan?
Kamusta ba yung run-up ni Carlos? Awkward naman eh, di ba? So why don't you stop the ball first? Layo naman ng ano sa kanya.
Carlos!
Parang si Denin kanina, you have the same situation a while ago.
Tara, Rayan.
Press! Hingi, amigo. Hingi, ha?
Kalma! Ala, talaga. Ba't kasi force it? Pass it.
Stay, amigo. Stay.
Wide, Lucas!
Stay, amigo. Stay.
Hold! 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 Hold!
Angge, Andres.
Turn, 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 turn! Malon!
Come on, Rian! Check kasi!
Ma, ang ganda pang signan!
Andres, you also have this side.
Leon!
Ganun ang offside, boys. On cook. Nakita nyo? Anong ginawa ko kanina? Nakalubog. Pag nalulubog. Pag ganun, inline ka, sabay kayo paangat. The name is Ice. Oh, Milo, ito naman ang red.
Straight forward kung kaya. Third! Rian!
Up! Up! Pataas! Pataas!
Offside ka na naman.
Leon, ang tagal kasi! Leon, 2-3 touches, Rian!
Lucas! Lucas! Nag-up nga yung defender eh. Sinisigaw na nga, naka-up na eh. Hindi pa natin nag-a-adjust dyan.
Ram, where should you be, Ram? Again, Rian! Bigay na!
Late, go! Go, Rayan! Continue, Rayan! Score, score. Goal, rep! Pasok, rep! Pasok po, butas lang.
Lucas, it's a goal!
You, Lucas, get the ball. Coach, can I help you? I'll move it for you.
Hindi, ay.
Coach, so that
Ayun.
in the video.
Rep, ito rep! Pito lang rep, pito lang rep. Wala kasing whistle eh.
Coach, I'll do it for you.
Sige, sige. Sige na, take it.
I want to do it though, because like in the TV, sometimes I don't see the game. So when I watch your video,
Whistle lang, rep! Okay, take it na.
what? No, I want to do it. Oh, cool.
Oh.
I video that.
Ayaw kasi mag-whistle. Dapat nag-whistle pa din kahit siya.